Hey there. I hope you guys are doing fine. So today I really want to talk about a little bit more of data type. So in the very first video of this course, we talked about how many data types are there in Python. I told you that we're just gonna focus on two of them, which are the strings data type and the numeric data type. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a file here called data type.py. Always remember to put the .py because it will help Python to recognize it as the Python language. And so for the strings in Python, the abbreviation for the string is the str. We learned that, and I will explain later how we can use str more, but we learned that uh, strings are every human readable language, and we define them by enclose them in between double or single quotes. This is a string, this is a string. So every human readable language. So for the numeric data type, we learned that there's two numeric data types. First one is int, which is the integers. And integers are the whole numbers. Every whole number that you guys know is an integer, is an int. And another numeric data type are the floats, which is every number with a decimal point. Every single number with a decimal point. You see right there? 0.00. So all of these, let me comment all of us. Okay. So I was looking at this here. Let me show you. Okay. So I was looking at this receipt, and we noticed that every single receipt we have a number of the price of the items we want to buy, and then there is a decimal point, and then the the numbers in there. That because all the business they work always with the like two decimal numbers after the point. Um, so how can we put those decimal numbers when we're giving a number like these? Let me say 9 point. I have these two numbers after the decimal point. And so Python gives us two ways that we can do that. So we're gonna print let's say user. And how do we just print this 9 and then the two decimal numbers in there? So there's this built-in function in Python called round, and we're gonna we're gonna put user in between the parentheses of this function, and then this is one parameter for this function, which is the actual number, and then we're gonna put the number of we're gonna put the number of how many decimal numbers we want to have after the decimal point. So let's say 3. Okay, we can run our program, and it's gonna show only this. Let's see the other way in Python. We can use the function format that we learned in the last lesson, the past lesson. And here we're gonna put the user variable, and then we're gonna put a colon and then a dot, and then here we can define the numbers that we want after the decimal point. Let's say 2 and then f. So here are the two ways that we can do that in Python, and let's just run our program and see how it works. And there we see. So the first one, we just put three numbers after the decimal point, and the second one, two numbers after the decimal point. And so now I have a challenge for you all. So you're gonna write a program where it prompts the user to enter a price of a meal that they bought, and then it calculates the taxes. Let's say the taxes will be 3%, and then after the calculating of the price, you just add up or sum the price and the taxes and give the total of the price. And don't forget to put the dollar sign right here. And I will be doing this with you guys in the next lesson. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give a like and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.